Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Al Amin. Today, we want to talk about Calendly. Yes, this is complete tutorial for Calendly. So, we want to do a Calendly event with our website, and we want to explore everything for Calendly. So, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will go Google and search Calendly, and then we'll find this website, Calendly. So, we want to click here. Normally for the appointment and the group meeting, Calendly is the best option, I think. And if you want to integrate the booking system in your website or some other platform, definitely you should use Calendly because this is awesome, I think. So today we want to learn how to set up our booking system in WordPress website. Also, we will discuss about more about Calendly. Okay. So first of all, we want to sign up for Get Started. So we want to click here, Get Started. Then we will see the sign up option, and the sign up process is very easy. If you want to sign up with Google, definitely you can sign up with Google. Also, you can sign up with Microsoft. So today I want to sign up with Google. So I want to click here. Then I want to select select my Google account. So I want to click here for my Gmail and to click here. Then currently need permission to sign up with Google. I want to continue. Then allow. Okay, so this is very easy, I think, and you can easily do it. If need any help or if you are facing any problem to sign up with your Gmail for Calendly, definitely you should comment and definitely I will answer. So this is the first interface after sign up. So here is the option. How do you plan on using Calendly? So here is the two option. Number one is on my own, and number two is with my team. So right now I want to click here on my own. Then I want to click continue. This is the process, and here is another option. What kind of work do you do? So you should select anyone. So I am a digital marketer, so I want to click here for the marketing. Then I want to continue, and then you will see the interface. Okay, so here is the first step. Okay, so here it is. If you want to learn more about Calendly, you can follow the step. Okay, so here is the first option, that is 30 minutes meeting, and mainly I want to set a booking system. Mainly I want to set up a booking system in my website. First of all, I want to set a button, 30-minute consultancy, book 30-minute consultancy. So, and I want to integrate with my. So if you want, you can easily customize your profile. That will be best for you. So here is my profile. So if you want, you can rename your name. So here is the name I want to change. Also, here is the welcome message. If you want, you can change, but I don't want to change right now. And if you want to change your profile picture, definitely you can change easily. So, and here is the language. So there are a lot of things. If you want, you can easily change. Okay, so this is the first option. Then we want to create an event for 30-minute free marketing consultancy, and I want to create a system with my website, WordPress website, that is a booking system. So how can we do this? First of all, we want to go to our Calendly homepage. Then here is the new event. If you want to create new event, you can easily create from here, but already one event is here, so I want to just customize. I want to share and embed with my website, so definitely you should click here for share option. So I want to click here the share option. and then you will find the customize and share option. So here is the option. First of all, here is the 30 minutes free consultancy. So 30-minute free marketing consultancy or something like that. If you want to change anything, you can easily do it from here. If you want to increase your duration, definitely you can. Location, if you want to change, you can easily change times for every day. So I am available for the meeting, 30 minutes meeting for the Sunday. The time will start from 7 p.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. or 11:45 p.m. most of the days. So I want to copy and paste here. Okay, that's it. And the same thing I want to do for all this. Okay, so all is perfect, and my location is Google Meet. You must configure your calendar connect to push events. Okay, so if you want to set the location of where the meeting will start, definitely you should just connect. So I want to connect with my cat and I want to see the complete details, and here is the option. So the event details, 30 minutes Google Meet and 30 minutes free consultancy, and the host and something like that. All the things are very clear, but I want to share, and I want to get the embed code at the website. For the website, I want to just embed inline. Then here is a lot of things, like suppose you want to add your Calendly for your website for booking system. There are lots of options. So the first option is inline embed. So if you want to embed your Calendly event or booking system, definitely you can do it. If you want to pop-up widget, definitely you can do this. Also pop-up text. So I want to embed with my website, so I want to just click here, inline embed, then continue. Then here is the code, so you just copy paste where you want to embed. Okay, so I want to just copy. So first of all, I want to create a page for 30 minutes free marketing consultancy. So then I want to embed there. Also I want to link with this button, and I want to change the button text. Okay, so the main thing is I want to embed the Calendly booking system or event on my page. So I want to create a page for this. So I want to go here on my dashboard and to add new page, click add new page. Then I can easily create a page for my 30 minutes free consultancy booking, and if I want to customize and design anything, I can easily do it. So right now I want to just create the page, and I want to embed the code. So here is my page, free marketing consultancy, and I want to publish. Okay, then I want to edit with Elementor. Okay, now I want to click edit with Elementor, and it will go to Elementor page builder design page. So here is the page. If I want to design, definitely I can do it, but right now I want to just embed my booking system. So I want to click here, and I want to select anyone. So first of all, I want to select Flexbox and the first option, and I want to here for the code or text and to search here short codes. Okay, so here is the option, and I want to just copy my Calendly event code and I want to paste here. Okay, now I can easily see my Calendly event here. Yes, this is I'm in digital marketer, 30 minutes free consultancy, 30 minutes or web conference details provide upon confirm. Okay, so here is the option select and date and time, and here is the option. So my time zone and everything is showing good. Then I want to click publish, and if you want to customize more, definitely you can do this. Okay, I think this tutorial is very helpful to you. If you want to create a booking system on your WordPress website, definitely you can do this. And if you want to embed with your other platform, definitely you can do this. So this I think this video is very helpful for you. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe the channel and please watch my other videos from my playlist. Thank you so much. Tata.